question number 71. Which of the following has highest heat of neutralization per equivalent? CH3COOH plus NaOH, HCl plus NaOH, HCl plus NH4OH, MgOH whole twice plus HCN. Student, for this question we need to know that heat of neutralization of strong acid and strong base is 57.1 kilojoule per equivalent. If it is lowered in case there is a weak acid or weak base or both. So for the given options, in option number 2 there is a strong acid and strong base. That means in option number 2 the heat of neutralization is highest. So the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 72. Let's read it. pH of 0.01 molar aqueous solution of a salt of weak acid Ha and strong base NaOH is, we are given with the pKa value of Ha, that is 6.4. Student, we know for a salt of weak acid and strong base the value of pH is equals to half pKw plus pKa plus log C. Let's put the values. The value of pKw is 14 plus the value of pKa is 6.4. The value of concentration is 0.01, which is equals to 18.4 upon 2, 9.2. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 73. Let's read it. The conjugate acids of HSO4 minus and HCO3 minus respectively are. Student, in Bronsted base, when 1H plus is added, we'll get conjugate acid. So for HSO4 minus, when 1H plus is added, that is H2SO4, this will be the conjugate acid. And for HC3OH, CO3 minus, when 1H plus is added, it will become H2CO3. This is the conjugate acid. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 74. The enthalpy change for the reaction CH4 gaseous plus 2O2 gaseous gives CO2 gaseous plus 2H2O. Enthalpy change for the reaction CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O is, we are given with enthalpies of formation of CH4, CO2 and H2O. Students, we have to calculate enthalpy of the reaction, which is equals to enthalpy of formation of products minus enthalpy of formation of reactants. So let's put the values. Products may we have two things, CO2 and 2H2O. So enthalpy of formation of CO2 plus 2 into enthalpy of formation of H2O minus enthalpy of formation of CH4. So student, let's put the values. For CO2 the value is minus 393.5. So minus 393.5 plus 2 into enthalpy of formation of H2O, which is 286.2. So 286.2 minus enthalpy of formation of CH4, which is minus 74.8. The overall value is minus 891.1 kilojoule per mole. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 75. Let's read it. For the reaction X2 gaseous gives 2X gaseous, delta U is equals to 40 kilojoule per mole and delta S is equals to 70 joule per Kelvin per mole at 600 Kelvin. Then delta G will be. Student, we know that delta H is equals to delta U plus delta Ng RT. First we'll be calculating delta H, and delta U given is 40 kilojoule per mole, so 40,000 joule per mole plus delta Ng. Let's put the value of delta Ng for the reaction. Delta Ng is equals to 2 minus 1, 1. The value of R is 8.314. The value of temperature is 600, which is ultimately equals to 40,000 plus 4988.4, which is 44988.4 joule per mole. Now student, we'll calculate delta G. Delta G is equals to delta H minus T delta S. The value of delta H we have calculated, which is 44988.4 minus T, temperature is 600, and delta S is equals to 70, which is equals to 2988.4 joule. In kilojoule it will be 2.988 kilojoule. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question.